Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add scarcity timer to Shopify. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can head back over to this new tab right here and then search in here for apps at shopify.com. Once you have searched for this, you should be able to Shopify App Store. So head over and click on this search icon right here and then search in here for GA and then put in here countdown sales. Or you can also just put countdown itself, and then you should be able to see in here some search results. So in here, you can look for the countdown timer available. They have here on this GA right here. So as you can see right now, we only have this GA gift wraps and up down. So what you can do is you can choose another app that you can use. There's a lot of apps that you can use right here. So for example, for me, I'll just choose this essential countdown timer. Click on this one right here. And then once you have done that, head over and then just install this app. So for me, I'll already installed it. So I'll just head over and click on open right here. Once I have opened this app, this should be able to see the dashboard of this specific application. So let's just wait for this right here. And as you can see, this will load like this. Now on this countdown timer that we have, we should be able to add in here a campaign or a timer on our actual store. So what we can do is we can click on this create new timer right here. Then you can choose a timer type. So for example, you can make a product page timer. So let's head over and click on this select this timer. And then you can put in here a countdown name. So for example, let's name it hurry up. And then the title will be hurry up as well. You can also put in here subheadings. For example, the sale ends in right here. And you can put in here time labels. So we can just put in here this translation as well as the timer types. And the timer starts now, and you can also set in here an end date. So for example, right here, I'll just end it at around April 11 at 9 p.m. And then as you can see, it will also adjust in here. And once it ends, we just need to unpublish this timer. After that, click on this continue to design. And then you can choose a template right here, or you can also make a template for your custom. So for me, since I have the Dawn template, I'll use the Dawn template right here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can also edit it out however you want, but I'll just make this as it is. After that, continue to placement. And you can add this on all your products. And you can also put in here timer ID and make sure that this actually added on your geolocation targeting. Head over in here and then click on this publish button. Then once you have done that, it will load like this. And make sure to activate it. Click on this activate right here. Then this will open in here a new tab on your store. So just wait for this tab, and in here this will open the Shopify editor on your new tab. So in here you should be able to see the app embeds. Make sure that the countdown timer has been turned on. Click on the save button from in here. Now as you can see, it's been saved, so we can head back to our previous tab and then click on this I have done it. Once you're here, you can see this preview countdown store. So click on this one. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the preview on your sales right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.